I also have a water filter too.
Sick.
Which
melt some snow at the top.
There's a couple streams.
God, Chris, we're gonna be able to see some clouds over ready, you know.
The echo rumble is really good.
That sounds good.
Making our way up.
Cheers.
Using some foot warmers to heat up my tamale. I'll see if it actually warms up, because that's a life hack right there.
Oh yeah.
That's crazy.
Crazy how little it makes a difference on a tire this big.
Beautiful. Still more to go. So sick. Yeah. Yeah. Oh man, there's that steep climb. You can just see that straight drop down there. coming up. Pick a line, pick a line. Man. Woo. Let's see. Oh. No. Woo! Didn't want to go that way. This looks better. Yeah.
It's crazy how like quick you get down the hill.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, some of those ruts, especially when they'd hit my rear, be like,
I got like the last shoot. I got kind of fucking sketchy.
yeah.
I was getting it to where, you know, you get that washed out shit, and I was trying to like lean my bike more in balance well, but it would still wash out on me. It was like, I don't know how much, you know, what I could really do. Thankfully didn't eat shit, so hey, fuck yeah, didn't eat shit.
Yeah,
didn't
that
get
was
hurt.
the fucking hardest part going down, so we got just regular fire now.